Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we'll make one more drawing on environment. So we are making just a drawing on environment. So what we will do is we'll take a round object and we will create a round circle first. Okay, I am doing it with pencil because later we have to rub the circle. So first we will do is we will create a round circle. Take any round object. Okay, so the whole drawing will be around this round thing. Okay, we can also use a plate or something like that for that. Now what we will do is we will make the drawing around it. We'll make we'll make some trees, we'll make some sun, clouds. To make a sun, what we'll do is we'll just make a circle and then we'll make some triangles around it. Small triangle, one big triangle. So we'll be able to make this cute little sun. So we can create for environment or you want to make a nature scene. So what we can do is we can create any drawing related to it. Okay, so we are making a scene in a stylized form. What we'll do is we'll make some clouds which are going out of this circle and a few clouds which are inside this circle. We could also overlap it in case you are making it pencil. Now I have already done it with pen, so I can't do that. So what we'll do is we'll just make a few clouds around. Now what we'll do is we will make some trees. Before making the trees, okay, what we'll do is we'll make some trees. So I am making now everything, the whole drawing is in stylized form. Okay, so I am not making anything in realistic way. I am just creating. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll make 2-3 different styles of trees here. I'll make a Christmas tree, the pine tree. I'll just make that. So it's very simple to create. You can make the trees of your choice also. You can do that also. So again, I'm making one more tree here. And one more tree. So you all can see what I have done is I have made so many different styles of trees. Some few things going out of the circle, few things remaining inside the circle. I'll make some grass around. Just shape of zigzag pattern of V to make this grass. That's it. I'll make one more grass. And what we can do is we can create a land. I'll make an oval to create a land. Right? So I'm making this to create a land and I'll join it here. Now whatever objects, the place is left, we will just make the circle over there. Okay, whatever is going inside an object will not go there while making this circle. Made a mistake and when it went outside, it's okay. So we'll not make it and we will just leave it like this. Now what we will do is we will use an eraser and we'll rub these extra lines which we have. So the basic structure of our drawing is ready. It's a very simple stylized form to make a nature scene. Now what we will do is we'll start the colors. Hope you all enjoyed making it. Do share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Take care everyone. Stay happy, stay safe.